Welcome back. Continuing the news. Thousands of taxpayers are expected to benefit from a one-off reverse income tax credit of $20,000. The Finance Ministry launched the multi-billion-dollar fund this morning. Sandy Williams reports.
Taxpayers who earn $3 million or less annually can now apply for a one-off reverse income tax credit payment of $20,000. According to Commissioner General at Tax Administration Jamaica TVJ, Ainsley Powell, up to 580 self-employed and PAYE residents are expected to benefit from the $11.4 billion program. Eligible beneficiaries will be able to make an online application to qualify for the reverse tax credit.
What we did was that we developed a system that would allow an online registration, and in so doing, the validation process would be done automatically to determine if persons are eligible. We have put in place the arrangement to have support and customer care for persons who may have challenges to ensure that we can have a workaround.
The one-off reverse credit comes 7 months after Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke announced it during his 2024-25 budget debate in March. Dr. Clarke explains the reason for the $3 million threshold.
We chose the threshold to be $3 million because we know that even persons who earn over 1.7 can have a disproportionate experience from the period of high inflation.
Acknowledging that there are inequalities in terms of income distribution in Jamaica, the Finance Minister says the government is taking steps to address the issue.
When you add up NHT deductions, ed tax deductions, you could even say NIS, even though it is, for the person's benefit in the long run. You're talking about up to 9% that's coming out of their pay every single month. And we're saying to those people, Jamaica cannot exist without you. Jamaica needs you. And we want you to know that Jamaica cares about you.
Applications can now be made through the Tax Administration website. Payouts to successful applicants are expected to be made through remittance agencies and local banks before March 31st next year. Eligible taxpayers will have until January 2, 2025 to apply for the one-off benefit. The reverse income tax credit is the second online facilitated transaction to be rolled out at the Tax Administration of Jamaica in 1 week. On Monday, the TVJ announced the motor vehicle registration can be done through its website. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.